what types of jobs are available in the fashion industry. For example, even within the category of fashion design, there is what is known as a technical designer, where you get to work with digital programs such as CAD, which stands for Computer Aided Design, and work with 3D models and Adobe programs like Illustrator and Photoshop, and printing on fabric and so on. There's also a stylist. A stylist doesn't necessarily design the actual clothes. A good stylist is able to put together a look by combining different items, different pieces of clothing, different tops with different bottoms, in such a way to create a new look. Sometimes different than what the designer had in mind, by adding accessories like scarves and hats and shoes and jewelry and so on. You're creating a new and different look, different styles, right? When I worked at Ralph Lauren, in preparation for the fashion shows, all the assistants would gather and collaborate on putting together different looks, trying different variations on models, and to see what works best. And when you have a 500-piece collection, you have a lot of options, a lot of possibilities in creating so many different styles. If you like buying clothes, I mean, who doesn't like buying clothes, right? Maybe being a buyer could be a very exciting job for you. You get to have a budget and you purchase merchandise for a specific store or a chain of stores or your own store. Another job is working at a public relation agency known as a PR agency, where you get to put together fashion shows and promoting a brand in different media channels and work in social media marketing a brand. Then there is Etsy. Etsy is a e-commerce store, meaning you can have your own store online, obviously, where you get to buy and sell items on your e-store. If you want to be independent and are on a low budget, there is print on demand. And just like the word says, the item gets printed, gets made when there is a demand. In other words, if you have a print on demand business, the customer buys the item, whatever, online from your online store, and then the item gets made. The beauty and the advantage of this is that you don't have any inventory. And so you don't need a huge warehouse full of clothes and you hope that they sell, right? I have a print-on-demand store called Infinity. It's a collection of t-shirts and sweatshirts, hoodies, and other items that I have designed using a company called Spreadshop. The designs get uploaded to their website, Spreadshop's website that is. They're printed when someone makes a purchase, and the item is shipped to the customer who bought the item. If promoted correctly and successfully, this business structure can generate some major cash flow. All right, now one final very important note. Your mindset is your most powerful design tool. I recently published a book called Design Your Future. Be a future designer. It's not just about fashion design, but it's about becoming the kind of creative who succeeds from the inside out. Let me explain. In this book, I combine real-world skills and mindset shifts and powerful principles of success that every aspiring designer should know. If you're serious about your future in fashion and in life, this book was written for you. You can find it right now on Amazon in paperback format as well as an ebook format. So check it out. Your future self will thank you. Trust me. So here's the link and check it out. Design your future now.